take a deep breath on this morning and pray in this morning and open up for a time of mindfulness and contemplation. This is what our Mary Roseman, one of our spirit group facilitators, would call one of the juiciest moments in this spiritual practice. It's the time when we quiet our minds and we go within. So I invite you to just take a few deep breaths. If you want, place your hands on your heart. And just arrive. Arrive so fully and completely in this moment that you break the boundaries of time and space. You break the boundaries of walls and into that realm of consciousness. Like I always say, that there is a spiritual community, there is a spiritual church, there is a spiritual force field of people joining together in every moment of the same collective mind. And so now it is our opportunity to quicken our ability to feel that, to quicken our ability to know that, to breathe into it, knowing that there are no buildings that can restrict us or restrain us or contain us, that we are consciousness. And that consciousness can connect from anywhere at any time, fully and completely. As we say these words, we affirm them within our beings, that our whole bodies respond, our minds and our emotions respond to this truth. That there is no thing that can limit us, not in time, not in space, not physical conditions. So right where we are, we take a full deep breath into the deepened and expanded experience of this now moment. It is God life. It is my life now. Namaste.